The coronavirus pandemic has made us realize the worth of being healthy and alive. As India unlocks officially, cities have started buzzing again. Hospitals are no longer crowded. Children are smiling again. Life is coming back to normal. Overseas MediTour welcomes our international patients once again to avail the world-class healthcare services available in India. We specialize in responding to your inquiries, arranging accommodations and meals, providing medical translation and language interpreters, fixing priority appointments with your doctor, and assisting you with foreign exchange. And that's not all. Championing the Indian ideal of treating our guests lavishly, we have committed ourselves to delivering all of these services to our overseas guests at an affordable price. Through our humble service, we look forward to winning your trust and confidence. We have a long history of assisting and serving patients from countries across the globe. In the aftermath of the viral outbreak, we have once again embarked on a mission to help you access our world-class, hassle-free Indian healthcare. All you need to do is give us a call, and we assure you, Overseas MediTour will be with you when you need us the most.